So when I saw Issa Rae's hair in this collab video with Doechii, I had to recreate it. I love so many of Issa's looks and obviously had a lot of fun and giggles with. So if you're interested in this look, I'll show you how I got it in under 2 minutes. As with all my looks, it's pretty simple and affordable, so let's get started. I'm starting with my hair already straightened, and that's the main thing that made the style pretty easy. I have really fine hair, so I was excited to add a little body to it with these extensions. So I just took a bundle of 24-inch yaki braiding hair, which I'll leave in the description, and I used the rubber band that comes with it to tie it into my ponytail. And after adding a couple bobby pins to secure it to my hair, I take a smaller section of yaki hair and wrap it around the top of the ponytail until the thinnest ends are fully wrapped around. This makes it pretty secure, but you can add more pins if you like. I then do the same thing on the other side. And you can really leave it like this, and that's a cute style, especially with some cute earrings. But I really wanted to stick it out with Issa's look, so I kept going. I added the bangs, and this was honestly the trickiest part because I had to shape and cut the bangs myself. So I ended up adding a quick head tie to it, and that helped it out a bit. And that was it. It's not perfect, but I think I got it pretty close. I bought this hair and these bangs locally, but I will leave the names of the products in the description. Thanks for recreating this look with me. Like and subscribe to keep in touch.